Hi there, this is Business with Dave. In this video, I'll be telling you 20 street food business ideas where you can apply the assemble to order approach, which is my personal approach if I was to do any street food business. The pros, the cons, the reasons why you should be doing it, and just general ideas at the end of this video as well of which ideas you could be using and applying for your business. But before I jump into this video, I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are all awesome, and if you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe at the end of this video because it will be pretty awesome, and let's get those numbers up. So yeah, let's jump straight into this video. So before I jump to the pros and cons of assemble to order, I want to let you know what assemble to order actually means. So this is where a customer places an order, you take the order, and you are literally putting everything in a box or putting everything in a wrap or in a baguette, and you giving it to the customer with everything already prepared. So this is where you prepare everything the night before or potentially on the day, have it on hot hold, and when an order comes in, you're literally assembling it and giving it to the customer within 1 or 2 minutes, and that requires a lot of efficiency, organization and planning. But once you have a system in place, you can get through customers so quickly and you get in those volume sales as well. But yeah, that is the sort of general gist of it. But the main pros and cons is that the pros is obviously, again, you serve customers within 1 or 2 minutes, you get those quick volume sales. People don't have to wait too long to be being served and waiting in a queue, because you don't potentially lose customers, because once you get a system in place, you'll be churning those orders out very quickly. And the other thing is that you'll be able to customize your customers' orders, because if you have lots of different toppings, literally customers will be saying what they want, and you're literally putting it all together and handling it as well. So super quick, super efficient, getting in those sales as well. And I think that's the biggest benefit for this approach, because if you have a short period of time of opening for about 2-3 hours, you want to generate as much customers coming in and sales as you can. So this approach is ideal. So a couple of the cons is that you can't really charge a premium for it because it's not made to order. Everything's already on hot hold, so you literally assemble everything. You can't really change anything in the recipes because everything's already pre-made. So if there's anyone that has a dietary requirement, then you might not be able to change that in that sense. And another thing is that you might have to spend a lot of time prepping your food the night before or on the day, so that requires a lot of time, so very time consuming, which evidently could lead to potential waste as well, because if you don't sell it, then it will lead to waste because you can't sell it. And also, you also might need the extra hands for your system to work efficiently, because if you don't have enough staff, then you being able to take orders, make stuff, and fixing it becomes very difficult. But you have enough people in order to take order, make it, and finish it, then that system will be 1 or 2 minutes very quickly. So you'll need the extra staff as a potential con as well. So that's about the pros and cons of assemble to order. Yes, there's just as much cons as with pros, but in terms of getting in the volume sales, I highly suggest you use this system. But with the ideas as well that will be coming through the slideshow, do see what you like, see what you can apply, and hopefully you can trial and error and see what works for you, your location, and for your business as well. So yeah, enjoy the slideshow, and I'll see you in the next video.